The Indian markets really continued its losing spree for the second straight day today as the Nifty closes below the 6,200 mark. And talking about the sectors, well, real estate, FMCG and auto stocks have taken a beating in the trading session today. That was a snapshot. Aisha Faridi joins us with a detailed market report. Aisha.
Well, a listless start to the trading day, but couldn't quite hold at that. In mid-afternoon, you did see some selling pressure come in for the market, which started off trading in just a very narrow 20 to 21 point sort of band from the high to the low of the day. So there we were, slipped below the first support level of 61.80 as well. In fact, managed to just about defend the 61.60 mark. 61.60 is where we shut shop post-adjustment. The broader markets as well gave way. So you've got a 1% downtick coming in for the mid-cap index and fairly volatile when it came to the small caps as well. The Bank Nifty as well. At one point in time, you almost had a 1% cut coming in for the Bank Nifty. In fact, it was underperforming the rest of the market as well. Then finally saw some recovery towards the dying minutes of trade and closed in with losses of about 0.2%. Some of the key heavyweight stocks have really come under pressure in today's trading session. So ICICI Bank, L&T, Hindalco, IDFC. Big boys like ITC, Ranbaxy, ONGC, DLF, Maruti, Tata Motors, as well as a couple of other banking names were the ones which saw pressure coming in. From the broader markets, it was the Adani stocks which actually held tall, as was the case with some of the other power majors as well. So power clearly was the play for the day. But let's see where tomorrow takes us. We'll catch you again with all the market action on Trading Cards. For now, it's back to you in the studio.